job. Try it without a treat. Paws up. Yes, good boy. Got that really good. Actually, you know what? I could probably hold the camera. It's not a camera, it's a phone. But he's doing it so well. Chopper, paws up. Yes. Oh. Yes. Yes. Okay, off. Good. We started with a phone book that was open and then folded it. No, off. He's showing me the behavior because he wants the treat. We had to start with the phone book opened fully, 2 sides, and then slowly make it smaller because he wouldn't do it just on a phone book. So this is major progress. Paws up. Yes. Yes. This will help with, yes. Yes. Pivoting heel and all kinds of different things. Off. Good. Chopper, paws up. Oh, all the way back. Paws up. Yes. No lure, no hand signal, no nothing. That was awesome. Yes. Yes. Okay, off. Yes. Paws up. Nope. Paws up. Other paw. Yes. 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 Off. Yes. Okay, we're done with this training session, but what I mean by the book opened is we had to do it that way and have them step on that, and then I folded this to make it smaller, make it like this size, and then we did the whole book. So that was pretty good. In one training session, we finally got that accomplished. We've been trying to do targeting for a while now, so that's really cool. So I just wanted to show that to you guys. Okay, there's my vape pen. Anyway, all right, night.